What's up, dude?
What's up, brother? What's up?
What's up?
Nothing. You got your coffee if you want it.
What a guy.
I know. What's going on?
What's up?
Oh my god. Some people like to put graphics on wet. I just like going in dry.
Kyle, you doing this right now? You doing this right now, Kyle?
Doing what?
Doing this kickflip right now or what?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Need to.
Ooh!
This is a big day for me. This is my basically the last year's project that's finally done as of today. This is 2005 Honda CR250 that I owned back in 2005. Actually bought it brand new and raced it several years. You know, put a bunch of work into it. Sold it in 2011 and bought it back. And that was like last July. So it really was unchanged from when I sold it, but it just had been neglected. So needed some love. Took the motor out, rebuilt everything, put a ton of time in it. Kind of put my own touch on it. It's a little like kind of retro, not your average looking Honda, I guess. But Mooch and I have been counting down the days to get some footage in right when I finally get it done. It's still not even 100% dialed in, but it's it looks a little more wild than it probably is. The motor's just kind of mostly stock, but it has higher compression. It's got a fat head on it, so it runs race gas. Got an electron carburetor, pipe, reeds, all the basic stuff. Just want it reliable, and hopefully don't have to open the motor up for a while. So yeah, we'll see. We shall see.
We can go take some ripping vids in a pit right now, so
Yeah, 252 stroke, baby.
should be pretty sick. But I'm excited. We got a sweet location that we locked in to ourselves. But
Private
this
spot.
thing looks sick. Can't wait to hear this thing fire up.
Yeah, a lot of work went into this thing, and probably too much money, but totally worth it. A lot of sentimental value in this bike. I literally raced this thing when I was like 14, and until I sold it when I was almost like 9 years ago. So it's been a while. Like when I was 20, I sold it. I was in college. Really just didn't really ride anymore and didn't have the money. I was into cars and all that. It goes full circle.
Cars.
I think it comes full circle. Trying to be a kid again. Wanted to rebuild my old high school sweetheart here and get some outdoor time in.
Well, Logan man. Ooh.
Oops.
Whoops.
Oopsie daisy. Rookie mistake here. It's been a while. Go for a bit. Love it. felt good. Felt good. I wish it was a little more of we didn't really have good like motocross track to put it really like to a test, but motor sounds awesome, runs great. Yeah, overall the bike felt really good.
Sick.
So yeah, I'm excited.
Reliving the childhood memories.
That's it, man. That's what life is about.